Planet Earth, 4.5 billion years old. Home to millions of species, including humans. A paradise filled with life and beauty. 2005 was the hottest year in the history of our planet. What happened? Us. Industrialization, deforestation, and pollution have greatly increased atmospheric concentrations of water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, all greenhouse gases that help trap heat near the Earth's surface. Strong hurricanes, heat waves, wildfires, and other natural disasters may become commonplace in many parts of the world.
Global warming has been an issue for years, and it will continue to be one until we fix it. In high school, I was part of the environmental club. We helped recycle my school's waste and clean up the community. In order to save ourselves and our environment, we must go green. Global warming is not only dangerous to us, it's dangerous to our environment. The Earth is heating up, which is causing the ice caps to melt. Because the ice caps are melting, the sea level is starting to rise. Cities and beaches will eventually be covered in water. With only 3 meters of sea level water increase, you can see that most of southern Florida will be covered in water. This is a graph that I formulated from my survey. It was on 50 people, mostly students in here. And I asked each person, how important was global warming to them on a 1 to 10 scale? As you can see, most people voted 5 or below. It seems like not enough people care about global warming. In fact, the Daily Telegraph, which is an Australian newspaper, says many countries do not care about global warming at all. Along with global warming increasing every year, more natural disasters will start to occur, such as volcanic eruptions, tornadoes, tsunamis, and wildfires. All of these things threaten our existence. There are 4 main gases that cause global warming: trapped water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane gas, and nitrous oxide. All these gases are used and released by human beings. This is another graph I formulated from my survey, and it was simply people that do use public transportation versus people that do not use it. As you can only see, 6 people use it out of 50. Only if we can learn to carpool a little bit more, we can reduce the amount of gases that are released into our atmosphere. Industrialization is an increasing problem every year. With the population growing every single year, the demand increases. Because the demand is increasing, the number of factories increase. Because the number of factories increase, the output of toxic gases into our air increases. Deforestation is another problem that is growing every year. Because human beings are cutting down and burning trees and forests, we're releasing an excess amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Pollution is a problem that causes global warming also. Everyday human activity causes global warming. The products that we use, such as aerosol cans and styrofoam, contain this thing called CFCs in there. It's a chemical that is released into the air and is damaging to the ozone layer. Now, the ozone layer is an invisible shield around the Earth that protects us from the sun's UV rays. Now, these CFCs, they put holes in the ozone layer, which allows the sun's UV rays to come through and damage the Earth. There's a solution to global warming, which is to go green. By going green, you can feel good about yourself, and you can save a couple dollars. Many businesses, as you can see, are going green, such as Walmart, Starbucks, any major distribution company. If you want to go green, you should recycle. You should buy the permanent shopping bags instead of using the plastic ones every time you go to the store. Read your product. See if it's damaging to the ecosystem. Or if you want to take it a step further, you can join a local environment group. There's a local group called the ANJEE, and they help protect New Jersey environment. Global warming is dangerous, and it is slowly destroying the Earth. We as a species did not create this problem, but we sure have contributed to it. We must become eco-friendly before it is too late. And the only way to do that, ladies and gentlemen, is to go green.